The state of Assam, where the flood situation has worsened when it comes to the relief and the rehabilitation work that is now being done on ground. Let's take a look.
Show this particular lane. This is the house where almost water have been locked over here and people couldn't come over here. Reliefs are going on. Administration are continuously working on this and people are still stuck over here. From yesterday night it was raining, and from this morning from 11:30 rescue operations are also going on, and they are even giving the relief also for in this particular area. And you can see this particular house, and this is an apartment in Guwahati where the car have been stuck and people have been stuck over in this particular building. Administration are keep giving them relief like water, drinking water, candles, as because there is no light, and bread as of now. And as per the circle officer, he have been mentioned that there are 4 total boats are there. One particular boat is being kept for the rescue operation, and other 3 boats are being used for the particular this distribution of this relief materials. I will try to get into in that particular situation. You can see the officials, the staff of the SDRF and NDRF are deployed over there. They are helping the people. They are helping in this particular situation, this particular flood affected area. You can see behind me also there are a lot many areas which have been fully flooded, and water have been logged over here because of the particular rain.